Today I'm going to show you how to design all of your Instagram graphics on Canva in literally 5 minutes. We're going to time this in 5 minutes, see how many designs I can come up with, and we're going to role play as a fitness page. We're going to design a logo, the story highlight covers, the Instagram stories, and then maybe if we have time at the end, a YouTube banner. So we're going to hop on the laptop and I'm going to show you how to get started on this app. Alright, cool. We're on the laptop and we're going to try and design some graphics for this fitness page. This imaginary fitness page called Fitness Fanatics. And I'm going to start the timer. 3, 2, 1, go. Canva, create a design, logo. And then, look, just type in fitness. It comes up with a bunch of templates and then we'll pretend to be called Fitness Fanatics. Because why not? This is our logo. Right. I've got to speed this up. 40. There we go. Delete this because you want to keep your logo as simple as possible, but like still memorable if you're doing Instagram or just in general. I want to get rid of this. Ungroup. There we go. We're going to center this. Maybe we'll use this this barbell logo thing. Make it bigger. I don't know. Make it bigger. We're going to center this. Position. Backwards. Oh, no. I've got an idea. I've got a better idea. We're going to twist it to 90 degrees. We're going to get an element like a square. Make it the same color as the background, so white. And you just do this. Alright, that's my logo done. Oh, wait, one more thing. Oh no. There we go. Circle border. There we go. That'll be our Instagram logo. Instagram logo done. As I said, this is just in 5 minutes, so it might not be very good. That's our logo. I'm going to create another thing. Instagram story highlights. Now, sticking to the orange theme, we're going to change the background color. Look, they've already got templates right there to put you on. But we're going to start blank. We're going to take that color, use it as the background. So whatever that orange color was on the hex code, just copy, paste it. There you go. Let's do, what should we do? Let's do workouts. So if ever you want to, because I'm trying to post the workouts that I had in before into one story highlight so people can come here and just look at them. There we go, workouts. Simple as that. And then if you want more, just do Q and A. Q and A. There we go. And then let's do one more. Actually, we're gonna do one more. We're gonna do testimonial. So if you have, if you're trying to like personally train people, what you can do is put testimonials and client results on here. If I can spell testimonial. There we go. That's our highlights done. One more thing. Instagram story. Again. So just if you're trying to promote something, fitness. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to type in the template. There we go. That's paid. All right. This one. There we go. We're going to change that to the brand colors. Black. That's it. Orange. I like this. Yeah, okay, you know what? And we'll change this as well. Yeah. Cool. Oh, scrap it. Don't worry. Alright, cool. That's it. I didn't get all of it, but we got the main stuff on here, so just then we got 14 seconds. I just designed a logo and 3 different story highlight covers in a matter of 5 minutes. If you don't know Illustrator or Photoshop, just use this app. And yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. If you're a fitness page, I hope this helped a ton for you, especially. And let me know in the comments if you want to see more like challenges like this. I just thought it'd be a bit of fun. So thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and comment, subscribe as well. So see you in the next one.